Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of making a vine with fit object to path. I'm going to grab these two shapes. Both of them have been converted to curves. I'm going to grab them both, and my origin is at the top left corner. Now I'm going to select the line, the path, in this one, and put it at the bottom. Well, you need to select this one first. Then select your path, so it knows which is the path. And voila, if you were making a seal, like a state seal, you could play around with this quite a bit. I would combine them. Let's get rid of this window. Let's change them to 4 point. Well, it was too much. Made it a little smaller. 2 points. Make it black. Scale with object. That's going to happen, so you're going to have to smart fill it. But before you turn it, I'm going to do it in green just because it shows up better on the video, and maybe somebody will get some inspiration. And then we'll do a darker green for the other side. Now, basically, it made it upside down, but that doesn't really matter. Let's go up to range and group it. Now let's mirror it. Control D and make a duplicate, and mirror it again, and then start moving it and hold down your control button. And you would actually have to maybe have your original ellipse or circle to give you some guidance. So I made this circle or ellipse with the ellipse tool, and that's pretty close. And then all I did is to make the circle or make that shape, I made this and I made it go 80 degrees. Whoop, I hit the pi. I want this one 80 degrees, and that's how I made that, and I just rotated it to get it kind of the shape. But that's the same size of my ellipse. So if I was going to do that before, again, I would copy that circle, Control D, make a duplicate of it, take this one, make it 80 degrees, rotate it, and then that way when I put it together, I've got a judgment on how far to put the other one across, if that makes any sense. Kind of like right here. My ellipse isn't quite as big as my original. That's pretty close. And then that way you would kind of see your vines or leaves go. And of course I would make my leaves smaller on this type of deal, but if you made this thing quite a bit bigger, the leaves would be more uniform to the object. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.